Pipe cleaners from your craft kit can create puppets and bubble wands. You can reuse pipe cleaners as many times as you want to make lots of different projects, like this colourful crown. All you need are 11 different coloured pipe cleaners. Join 2 pipe cleaners together at each end to make a circle. This is the base of your crown. Then take a new colour and wrap one end around the base to secure it before making your pointed shape like this. Carry on winding pipe cleaners onto the base of the crown, alternating colours as you go. If you get stuck, just unwind them and start again. Once you've finished, give all the points a once-over in case any have flattened down. Now you can wear your crown. Here are some other fun projects you can make using pipe cleaners. To make these fun finger puppets, take a pipe cleaner and create 2 ears by pinching the pipe cleaner into place. Then create a circle for the head, leaving a straight piece of pipe cleaner at the bottom. Take another pipe cleaner and wrap it around the body, creating 2 arms. With the leftover piece of pipe cleaner, wind it around your finger. You can add some eyes by sticking scrap paper onto the head with glue. And there you have it, cute finger puppet characters. Or, how about this easy peasy bubble wand? Simply take a pipe cleaner and shape it like this, making sure your shape is closed at the base. Ask a grown-up to mix up some bubble liquid and see how big a bubble you can blow.